Hello from Shanghai. Thanks for watching China Travel Talks by Infinite Luxury. Companies and wealthy individuals in China have sharply elevated their use of private jets these 12 months. With complete flights nearly doubling in comparison with pre-pandemic levels, interviewed private jet operators shared by Public News said the rise in demand in China displays limitation on industrial airways. Also, considerations from executives about sharing planes with massive numbers of fellow passengers. It has been predicted, now that the companies have realized the convenience of business jets, even after the epidemic, they will continue to use them.